Hello, it's Robert Burr here at the Rum Wreck Dive Bar for another episode of Rum Minute. Today we're looking at Mezan XO Jamaica blended aged rum. From a no-nonsense rum producer, the Mezan XO Jamaica blend is a delightful and approachable expression that faithfully reflects the characteristics of the island's venerable boutique distilleries. Each release is a blend of casks from various stills in Jamaica, artfully combined for complexity and balance in small batches of 5,000 bottles. The blend contains a base of light and medium ester rums that may have originated at the legacy distilleries of Clarendon, Worthy Park, Long Pond, and Hampton Estate, further aged together in oak casks to marry the components without any additives, coloring, or chill filtering. The pale straw color is your first clue that the rum remains unadulterated. Aromas of funky banana, juicy fruit, and old wood lead to a suggestion of baking spice, earthy musk, and burnt sugar. On the palate, green banana and bitter almond precede cigar box over spiced cake before the funky notes of mixed ripe fruit decay in the medium-long finish. Mezan Extra Old Jamaican Blended Aged Rum delivers an affordable and accessible boutique rum experience. Taste it neat to step back in time and experience old Jamaica, or use it in cocktails like a Mai Tai or Jamaican Mule to bring that distinctly pungent and funky cool island vibe to mixed drinks. Mezan XO Jamaica is the winner of many awards, including an International Rum Expert Tasting Competition Gold Award at Rum Renaissance Festival. The 750 milliliter bottle of Mezan XO Jamaica at 40% ABV sells for about $29.